Hey everybody, it's Gloria Hester here. Tonight's video is at the request of a woman who asked if I would make a video about some all-natural products that I enjoy that I use personally. And after thinking about this for a little bit, there was definitely one body lotion that comes to mind that I like to use and make a kind of a personal recipe. I add something to it. So I thought I would talk about that tonight because it's very nourishing for your skin and it's just a great thing to do for yourself. The lotion that I use is by a company called Nubian. It's Nubian, and this is their coconut and papaya body lotion. It does have vanilla extract in it, so it smells delicious. And I like to get Paul Newman's olive oil, the organic olive oil, and just in a separate container, mix a little bit of olive oil in with a little bit of the body lotion so that when I get out of the shower or the bath, if I have extra time to do this, I'll use the one that has the olive oil in it. It is very rich, so it does take your skin a little bit of time to absorb that, so you do need a little extra time. But having said that, it feels amazing for your skin and it just feels really nourishing. So that is my answer to your question about personal products that I use, that I enjoy, that are all natural. Please, if you like this video, share it, and I'd love to hear if there's anything that you add to your products that you use that are all natural. I think it's great to share things that we love and tell our friends and tell others so that we can try things we haven't tried before. And and if you have any requests for videos, just private message me, and I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.